Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because it is going to be another Christmas one. Christmas is literally in like 6 days. Can we just like think about that? Like that's a problem, like literally. I mean it's really exciting and all, but like yeah. Anyways, yeah, so today I am going to be taking you guys along with me to Coles and Kmart, and we're gonna get a few things from there. You'll find out what it is soon. Stay tuned. It's me and Mum. We're gonna cook for you guys. Are you right? Can you please shut up? Excuse me. Okay. Shh. Yeah, so it's gonna be good, and I'm gonna take you guys along with that, and it's gonna be exciting. Okay, I'll see you guys in the car. Hey guys, so I am heading out. Oh my god, I changed my top by the way. Why isn't this working? Oh, there we go. I changed my top because it's really freaking hot. Just gonna sit. So, like I said, it's really freaking hot and my camera is not sitting. Rude. So currently at the shopping centre. My mum's going to the chiropractor, and then we're going to Woolies over there and grab some ingredients. We don't know what we're gonna make yet, but we have some ideas. You'll see. I'll take you guys along with that. And then I'm going to go to Kmart, and there's gonna be like a little fun surprise there. Fuck, it's so hot. Yeah, so there's gonna be a little surprise with that, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I don't know if my mum doesn't know about this surprise, but you know, it's fine. I've never actually filmed in this car before, and the camera doesn't stick on the dashboard, like it just goes down like that. Unless I like stick it up here. Like up here? Yeah. Oh my god, that's better. But yeah, so that is what's the go today. And yeah, right now there's these two people sitting outside this cafe. And they're just watching me. Oh my god. There's P plates up on this car because my sister was driving and I'm not a P plater, I'm a learner. But yeah, so is there any good music on?
As you head out for your lunch break, I got a little
okay, no, bye. But yeah, by the way, I'm just wearing this Adidas top and some black bike shorts and my Nike Technos. But yeah, I had a grey hoodie on, but it was super freaking hot, and it still is. Like, what the fuck is this? But yeah, like literally, I just put my windscreen wipers on and it's literally 25 degrees outside. Are you excited for me to buy my car? I mean, I am, because like, yeah. Oh my god, stop, they're still going. Oh my god, that's really awkward, I know that person. Awkward. So we decided we're gonna make we make Christmas bark all the time. So that's basically where you just like melt chocolate and we put it on a tray, and then we just like put like lollies and stuff on it like that, and we make it every year. It's not really that Christmassy, but like we've just done it growing up. And then we're going to make shortbread like stars, and we're going to make like a tower of like shortbread and then sprinkle icing sugar on it, so that's going to be cute. But yeah, so we have the chocolate in the trolley with the clinkers, and then we have butter for the shortbread. And yeah, so we're excited for that. We need to get vanilla extract because I used it all. Wait, is that here?
No, that's not the right one. This one.
Yeah.
This one's
$4, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to get that because I used it all in my last cooking video when I made those cookies. Do you guys remember when I just kept pouring vanilla extract in it? Yeah. Like cutting dairy out and all, but like I love this shit. It's so good, but it's not very healthy, so technically it's not doing anything when I cut dairy out because this has so much sugar in it. Oh well. I'm also gonna go down ice cream aisle and see what flavors they have of Halo Top because I'm obsessed with it and it's healthy, so it's fine. Oh, we finished buying everything and we're going to check out. There's one there.
Where?
The end there. Should I get this on the road?
What are you doing, Tyler?
Well, I was going to go there, but then that car was there.
Put your blinker on to go here, but he's got to get out because he's too far over your side.
There's one up there, I think. There's a car coming.
Well, put your blinker on to show them that that's what you're doing.
I can go in there?
Yeah.
Oh, Tyler.
I think you're too close.
Is that better or not really?
Oh, that's better. That's fine.
That was stressful.
And did we record all that? I don't want to see my face on YouTube with that, thanks.
That was so stressful. I almost hit a car. But it's fine. Okay. Let's go to Kmart. So I told Mum that we were going to wear like weird Christmas tops. And these are the ones that Kmart have. But like I don't really like them that well. Like I don't want them for myself. They have like that one. Wait. This one. Oh my god, it's out of focus. And then they have like this Tweety Bird one. But there's one over in like this little Asian store over there. And I want to get that one.
I could be this.
Oh my god. That's not even Christmas.
But I could be Wonder Woman.
That's not Christmas. Do you want to get one? Do you want to get that white one?
I don't know whether I like it.
Oh, why?
I'm not really into Looney Tunes.
Yeah, no, but you're only wearing it for this one video. Or do you want a green one from over there?
Matching one.
Oh yeah, we could. There's a red one and there's a green one. So
Have a look at them.
yeah, but we're gonna do. I was said that we could do like red and green, but then if we were matching, that could be cute. I don't know. I'll show you them. We're about to go there now. But they have like heaps of Christmas stuff. So yeah.
More over here too, Tom.
Where?
Over there.
Oh yeah, and there's some over there. I think. Oh my god, they're aprons. We could wear aprons. Christmas aprons. These are the ones that I was talking about. So they're like that. Or there was like this one. And then there's Christmas aprons. I could wear a top and you could wear an apron.
Yeah, and I could put on my other.
Just a white t-shirt.
No, I've got my Christmas t-shirt at home.
Should I wear a red one then if you're wearing red? What other red ones do I have? Should I get a reindeer or the Santa?
I like the reindeer.
Yeah, no, I'll get the top and then Mum will get the apron.
I'll get the apron.
Yeah, alright, that's gonna be cute.
Christmas one at home.
Yeah, that will be cute. Okay.
Eat the ice cream first.
Not all of it.
Why not?
Because I'm not spending $18 just to eat it at once.
Why?
Because. Wait, tell them how good of a driver I am.
Who?
Me. Tell the camera.
Tell who?
Tell the camera that I'm a good driver.
She's not really.
I'm a really good driver. I'm like better than all her kids. Probably better than her as well.
I don't think that would be an exaggeration. No, Taylor's probably, but don't tell her that I said this. She's probably
I'm in the car.
safest driver and the less stressful driver to drive with. Zoya is absolutely ridiculous. Zach, you feel like you've put your own life into his hands and it's dangerous. Alana is a nervous driver. And
I don't even know what Jenna's like.
Jenna nearly drove through it. Jenna drove through the paddock and nearly hit cows when she first started learning to drive. Consequently, it's a miracle I don't have lots of grey hair. Oh, I think you all know when to brake because I brake for you in the passenger seat, which tells you to start braking.
Literally, when I'm driving, as soon as I see Mum put her foot down on the floor, I know like, okay, I need a brake now. Are you excited?
Are you excited for me to tell you what to do?
No.
You do.
Hello everyone, I'm back and we're in my kitchen and we're going to start making Christmas food. So we're going to start doing the bark first. It's not really Christmassy. It's just kind of what we have done for years.
It's Christmassy.
It's basically just like, I don't know, where did you even get the idea of it? Because you started making it when I was really little.
I think it's Christmassy. It's not. It's Christmas. We make it look like Christmas.
And then we're going to make the cookies as well while the bark is setting in the fridge. But do you like my top? This is the top I ended up getting. And then Mum's wearing a top that she wore from like a couple years ago. And then she's got the apron from today. Well, I want to put Christmas music on, but I can't because of copyright. So, anyways, chopping the clinkers. So on the chocolate bar, we put clinkers, so I'll crack them up. And then we've got these glamour and sparkle little like thingies. And then we've got these little perfect for baking Smarties middies, and we'll sprinkle that on the top. And then Mum's going to start melting the chocolate. So we just got the 2 big things of Cadbury chocolate. So she's going to start that when she gets off her phone. That actually hurt.
What?
That hurt. Where's the like rolling pin?
Up here.
Oh.
Does that fit copyright?
I don't know.
You can't. It's not popping anything. A little bit chunky. Usually I just used to get a knife and chop
This
it.
is funner.
I don't think so, because then you make it all like too crunched. I told you I'd tell her what to do. To make sure you've got the trays with baking paper ready.
So then we basically just pour the chocolate on here and then we decorate it.
Okay. Back to that one.
Where's that other one you're using it at?
It's supposed to be finished. I'll just put it in here if you want. Make them big, I suppose.
This one will be mine, the other one will be yours. So this one will be mine.
With your big clunkers. See how they look too big? It looks stupid.
Oh, of course
It does.
But don't use the big ones.
Well, it's a bit hard. Make a hell of a mix. They're not even nice because we don't get all the hunks and clunkers.
It is nice. I think it is. There are big bits of bark in the world as well.
What?
Chocolate bark.
Hide it from you.
Hide it from you. You'll eat this all tonight.
Doesn't help my diet. And we've got nice Christmas glamour sparkles.
Oh my god, I love how you're like showing the camera. Mine looks better than yours.
No. See?
It's a little bit of sprinkles.
Glamour sprinkles. Christmas! That makes them look really good.
Yum.
That's enough now. Christmas bark.
Don't drop it. Yum.
Okay. Put some more of these on.
So the big ones were a good idea?
No, but just there's not enough crunch to make it look good. Because you stuffed it. Hopefully we'll have enough to take the road for Alana and Matt.
I don't think she'll eat it all.
No. Bits. Right, so clean your mess first.
Can I shove that in?
No.
Are you going to eat it?
Maybe. Sit over here. Well, if we make more.
I don't think we'll make more. This is what the chocolate bark looks like. So basically, yeah, so it's just like a massive slice of chocolate basically. So we use the trays for the other thing. And then we break it up and put it in a container and we eat it. So like that. And then eat it like that.
Might not be.
It's hard enough, is it?
Yeah.
And we just cut it into bits like that, and then whenever you want to eat lollies or chocolate, you just eat it like that. Oh my god, look at Willow, stop. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, so